Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we want to talk about this BMW M4 that we got outside. It's a car that we ceramic coated about 9 months ago and the customer came in for the maintenance. So I want to thank you to all of you for the nice messages and emails, and we had a couple requests about providing a video of the car outside, not inside the shop. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We have the car done, it's outside. I'm gonna take you through the whole process. Just a quick overview of how we do the maintenance using the Turbo Wax products, and it came out stunning as usual. So anyway, I'm gonna flip this thing around and outside we go. So we start with the Turbo Wax ceramic foam shampoo. We did that via the foam gun, and then by hand. The wheels we did with the Turbo Wax wheel cleaner deluxe. Spray into the wheel. We let it set for 30 seconds. Then we went with the brush to do the bottles and a foam applicator for the faces. The tires we did also with the deluxe. We cleaned them like that, and then we put the Turbo Wax T2 tire dressing. We did that with the applicator. We level all the surfaces. The paint wise, we did with an orange pad, foam pad, a quick pass with the sweat remover to bring the shine back up, and then we went behind it with the Turbo Wax Paint Sealant Extreme with the foam black pad, and there's the results. The glass we did with the Turbo Wax waterless multi with some microfiber tiles, and you can see the glass came out great. Just a quick walk around. The interior we did with the Turbo Wax LVR with the yellow foam applicator, and for the BMWs it leaves a nice matte finish, doesn't give any shine. The door jambs we did with the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus with the microfiber. We also top it off with the Quick Detailer Plus when we were done. The engine bay we also did with the T2 with the applicator, and we level it with a microfiber tile, all the plastic trim pieces, the carbon fiber with the Quick Detailer Plus with the microfiber. Came out great. And that's a full view, and she's ready for another 8 months. Okay guys, so now you can see the job that we were able to do with the M4 came off fabulous. It looks real good. So if you're on the fence about using Turbo Wax products, check some of the other videos, and any questions or concerns, send us an email. Make sure you share, subscribe, and let us know how we're doing. So until next time, thank you for watching.